Hey guys, this is Michaela at Cold Creek Nurseries in Aiken, South Carolina, and I want to talk today about three of my favorite shade perennials. Starting to get warm outside, we're going to be looking for some shade. And I've got some great perennials for you to put in your shade garden. I want to start with this False Spirea. We call this Astilbe. Astilbe can take part shade to shade. And this one actually is a great plant to put in a moist area. So if you have a moist shade area, the Astilbe can take a little bit wetter conditions than most plants. Again, this is a perennial. Early summer is going to put out this beautiful flower. They have other colors of flowers as well. It comes in pink and a darker red. I'm particularly showing you the white one right here. And mainly because the white colors help to brighten up a darker area, and that your shade areas tend to be darker, so add something that pops up underneath that shade. Another one is a fern, and this is the Japanese Painted Fern. Again, shade to part shade, meaning it prefers to have morning sunlight and afternoon shade. Beautiful colors of light green, dark green, and even purple in this. This one dies back during the winter. And the beautiful thing about both perennials that I've showed you so far is they're deer resistant. So this one looks good all season long, adds just a different hue of color to your garden. And one of my third favorite perennials is this Heartleaf Brunnera. What I like about this, it has clusters of light blue flowers on it during the summer, but this heart-shaped leaf with this silver foliage, this also helps to brighten up a dark area, and it takes that morning sun, afternoon shade, or shade. It does die back some during the winter. It comes back in the spring. And again, another reason to like this is because it's deer resistant. So not to forget about all of our other favorite elephant ears and coral bells, along with the wonderful hosta that we have. We have lots of perennials that can help to brighten up your full shade area.